Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update and install new drivers on your Lenovo LOQ 15. So what we need to do first is I'm gonna explain the fact that you can update drivers in two ways. The one is via Windows Update, so you can just go to settings, then it'll update the most basic things in Windows Update here. After you click on download and install, it'll download everything. That's really important also, but these are the basic things. So if you want to update even further with more drivers, because we are focusing on drivers now, go to your browser and type in the model of your laptop, then say drivers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to System Information app, which will tell me the exact model. So I don't think this is the model. I'm not sure. But let's find a Lenovo drivers. Okay, and we'll do that by clicking on detect project. So now it'll scan everything. So you need to select this option, then click on continue. And now, since I don't have Lenovo Service Bridge app installed, then if this window with Open Lenovo Service Bridge didn't show at the top here, then click on here, select this checkbox and click on download. Then it'll download the Lenovo Service Bridge. So I'm gonna open the file. Then next, it'll just install a program that will allow me to identify my product. So I'm gonna go to detect project. Okay, so actually it says click here, so I'm gonna click here. Then it has navigated me to this website, so actually I had the correct model. And let's go to drivers and software. And you know what, I'm gonna click on scan now for automatic update, because it'll just find all of the drivers for me. So let's click on start scan. Now, since I already have the Lenovo Service Bridge because I've just installed it, let's click on install to install the system update application. So you can see the process is quite complicated, so you just most likely need to follow the instructions on screen, but there's also a high chance that they may look similarly to mine. And then scan is in process, so let's wait until it scans everything. It may take up to 5 minutes. And now it actually said that I only have one update to install. In some cases there will be more updates. It just depends on the amount of things that are available for update for you now. And it'll also say that you can see reboot no, so this update won't require a reboot. Some will. So if it says you need to reboot, then reboot, of course. And I'm gonna select all updates and click on download selected, so I can select download everything, but you can also unselect the ones that you don't want to install, but I recommend installing the recommended ones. Now I need to click on install now. And there was an error, so I'm gonna retry it. It'll reconnect with the Service Bridge. And now it actually showed something about the Lenovo system update tool, but well, let's click on install. Maybe it'll fix some things. Now I'm gonna click on yes to give it the administrator privileges. I don't remember if it asked me that before. Maybe it didn't, so it didn't install. I don't know. Now it is scanning again, so I'm just gonna wait again. And it again shows that the driver, the LAN driver is available, so let's try this time, maybe it'll work. Install now. And the driver update is completed. So yes, now it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.